Welcome to Pranab Digital Gurukul. Today, we'll discuss a question that many people are asking: can artificial intelligence, or AI, dominate humans? With AI advancing rapidly, it's important to understand where it's headed and whether we should be concerned about it taking over. Let's explore this in simple terms. First, let's break down what AI is. Artificial intelligence is the technology that can make decisions, learn, and even solve problems on its own. But not all AI is the same. There's narrow AI, which we use today, and general AI, which could potentially be smarter than humans in the future. Narrow AI is already all around us. It's the AI that helps your phone recognize your face, or the one that recommends videos on YouTube. These systems are designed to do specific tasks well, but they can't think or feel like humans. Now, the real question is whether AI could become smarter than humans. Scientists call this future type of AI Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI. AGI would be able to do everything a human can do: solve problems, think creatively, and even understand emotions. But here's the thing: AGI doesn't exist yet, and we don't know when, or even if, it will. Some experts think that if AGI ever does happen, it could improve itself so quickly that it might outsmart humans. Imagine a machine learning so fast that it leaves human intelligence behind. This is where the fear of AI dominating humans comes from. Another big worry about AI is whether it will take over jobs. AI can already do many tasks that humans used to do, like driving cars, answering customer service questions, or even diagnosing medical conditions. While this sounds helpful, there's a downside: AI could replace many jobs, especially repetitive ones. Imagine millions of people losing their jobs because machines can do the work faster and cheaper. This could lead to social and economic problems. But AI can also create new types of jobs and help humans with tasks we struggle with. So, while AI might change the way we work, it's unlikely to dominate humans unless we let it take complete control of important parts of society without proper planning. One of the biggest concerns is whether humans could lose control of AI. Think of it like this: if AI gets too powerful, who will control it? Could it make decisions on its own that harm humans? This is why scientists are trying to make sure AI is safe and aligned with human values. They call this AI alignment. If AI systems aren't aligned with what humans want, they could make decisions that go against our best interests. For example, an AI designed to solve climate change might take extreme measures that humans wouldn't approve of. That's why safety is such a big topic in AI development. So, can AI dominate humans? The answer is not yet, and maybe not ever. AI is powerful, but it's still a tool created by humans. Right now, it does what we program it to do. But if we create more advanced AI in the future, like AGI, there's a small chance it could become too powerful to control. That's why researchers are working hard to make sure we build AI systems that are safe and help humanity rather than harm it. It's important to remember that AI isn't evil or good by itself, it's how we use it that matters. Instead of worrying about AI dominating humans, we should focus on how we can work together with AI. AI can be a powerful ally in solving some of the world's biggest problems, like disease, poverty, and climate change. If we use it wisely, AI can help us achieve things we never thought possible. Imagine a world where humans and AI work together to improve education, health, and the environment. That's the real future of AI, not domination, but collaboration. In conclusion, should we be afraid of AI? Right now, there's no reason to panic. AI is just a tool, and it's up to us to decide how we use it. Yes, there are risks if AI becomes too advanced, but we can avoid these dangers by setting clear rules and making sure AI systems are safe. So, rather than fearing AI, let's embrace it as a partner in building a better future. Thank you for watching Pranab Digital Gurukul. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. See you in the next video.